Number Knowin with Owen. Hello, my name is Owen. I lost my favorite things and I need your help to find them. Can you find one peanut? Thank you. My cat friends are missing. Can you help me find two cats? Thank you. Now I cannot find my favorite paper towel rolls. Can you help me find three paper towel rolls? Thank you. All of this hard work is making me thirsty. I need to find my ice cubes. Can you help me find four ice cubes? Thank you. I am hungry now. Can you help me find five eggs? Thank you. The eggs were yummy, but I am still hungry. Can you help me find six carrots? Thank you. I am ready to play. Can you help me find seven socks? Thank you. I need you to find my frisbees. Can you find eight frisbees? Thank you. Playing with you is a lot of fun. Let's play with balls now. Can you find nine balls? Thank you. I am hungry again. Can you help me find 10 bones? You were very helpful. Thank you for helping me find my favorite things. The end.